Hi guys, so we're back with our read aloud and we are reading poems, and the name of our poem today is called Falling Snow. So I'm going to read the poem and I want you to listen carefully so we can answer some questions about it. Falling Snow. I see the pretty snowflakes falling from the sky. On the wall and housetops soft and thick they lie. On the window ledges, on the branches bare, now how fast they gather, falling all the air. Look into the garden where the grass was green, covered by the snowflakes, not a blade is seen. Now the bare black bushes all look soft and white, every twig is laying, what a pretty sight. Okay, so obviously he's talking about the snow and how everything looks with the snow on there. Okay, so let's kind of answer some questions. So we're going to actually come down to the bottom because you're going to answer the top ones. So it says, what sense helps the reader visualize most of the sensory images in the poem? So in writing, guys, we talked about using our 5 senses to write poems. So remember, our 5 senses are sight, hear, taste, see, and touch. So in our poem, what sense do we use? Is it sight, taste, hear, or touch? So let's kind of look and see if we can find some clue words. It says, see the pretty snowflakes. So we're seeing them. So if we're seeing them, what sense would we be using? Okay. I'm going to highlight that one, see. See the pretty snowflakes falling from the sky, on the wall and housetops soft and thick they lie. On the window ledges, on the branches bare, now how fast they gather, falling all the air. Look, we're looking, we're using our eyes, which is our sight, into the garden where the grass was green, covered by the snowflakes, not a blade is seen. Now the bare black bushes all look soft and white, every twig is landed, and what a pretty sight. So we have the words see, look, and sight. So guys, what we are using sight. That is the sense we are looking, is sight. When we talk about our 5 senses, we're talking about sight. We're not tasting anything, we're not hearing anything, and we're not touching anything. It's all off what they're seeing. Okay. Let's look at number 5. What is the speaker doing in the poem? So let's think about what is he doing. I'm thinking about building a snowman. I don't see anything in our poem about a snowman. Getting dressed warmly to play outside. Nope, doesn't talk about anything about him getting dressed. Watching the snow falling, maybe. Walking through the snow. Okay. So it says, let's look at this first one. See the pretty snowflakes falling from the sky. So that first line tells us that we are watching the snow falling. We're not walking through the snow. And then the narrator is speaking in 3rd person. So, okay. All right. So I want you to answer question 1. What is the poet's main purpose for writing the poem? 2. How does the poet feel about winter? And then 3. What do you notice about the rhyme pattern? Okay, so what do you notice about the rhyme pattern? And let's go ahead and number. That's something we forgot to do. Let's number our lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then we're going to box in our stanzas. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4 stanzas. Okay. So I want you to answer questions 1, 2, and 3 for me, guys.